What could be better than having fun in the sun cruising in your own mini speedboat? How about getting paid for it? St. Martin Powerboats is the world's largest manufacturer of high-quality mini speedboats made right here in the USA. Our boats can be found in upscale rental sites such as Boston Harbor and San Diego with top-rated reviews from riders all over the world. Our cool boats have been sold across the globe in places like Dubai, Australia, Europe, and Africa. We've been featured on national TV shows like The Price is Right, Royal Paints, Let's Make a Deal, and others. We sell hundreds of boats every year to people who absolutely love their St. Martin Powerboat mini speedboats. But if you're like most people, you haven't heard of us until today. And that's where you and St. Martin Powerboats can have a mutually beneficial relationship. We know the best advertising for these boats is out on the water. Most of our business comes from referral sales, someone who knows someone with a mini speedboat or someone who saw one on the water and asked how to buy one. So we thought, why not create a referral program where any owner of a brand new St. Martin Powerboat can actually make money every time they refer someone who buys a boat from us. So here's how it works. Number one, you buy any model St. Martin Powerboat with or without a motor. We custom built your boat in our factory right here in Mentor, Ohio. When your boat is delivered or picked up, we provide you with 500 business cards with a unique affiliate ID number on it. When anyone asks you where you got that boat, and believe me, they will, you hand them a card which provides them a $250 discount off the purchase of any St. Martin mini speedboat. And when they use that discount code, you make $600 to $1,400 referral fee depending on the model sold. Why not get paid for being out on the water and promote our boats in your local area? Our boats can handle any environment, they're Coast Guard certified and ocean capable. To learn more about our boats and our company, visit minispeedboat.com or call us for details.